So let's get things straight. Web3 tech companies are hiding through NFTs. Not just NFTs, but cute little potatoes, a dolphin, a squishy bee, and etc. It's like a secret way of getting ownership share of Google, Facebook back in the day. Now, don't get me wrong, there will be many Web3 tech projects that will not make it through this early startup phase, but the ones I'll explain below have a market share that leads us right now before competition arrives, but you gotta do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor, just education, entertainment, and opinion content. So first, we have MetaHelix. MetaHelix is a Web3 project based on integrating NFT tools with Discord app for NFT project communication and community development. For instance, what they have is called role verification. So like granting a role within seconds when someone joins your Discord. Sales, minting, and list announcements are all integrated through Discord. The rarity and the NFT can be integrated with your Discord role. There's a countdown channel, Twitter integration, and they're constantly updating things so it's user-friendly for NFT projects. Basically, you don't need a developer like back in the day integrating all this. Now it's just this software that basically makes it up. What's great about this is that they basically went with an NFT listing where you can now purchase their NFT and become a stakeholder in their profits. They will share 80% of their revenue with you as well. 50% will be given evenly through airdrops and 50% through raffles. And they will also smash the like button on the video. You can also vote in future investments or protocols through their DAO. Now keep in mind, they would have to find more other types of revenue models so the project keeps growing because of other competitors that will come in the market. So this is one interesting tech team that could potentially go farther than this, but we just don't know yet because there's always competition. Right now they are the one of the best in the industry, and let's see where this goes on from here on out. Now remember, before I explain the next project, remember the gold rush. Well, during that time frame, the people who sold the shovels were the ones that made huge profits. So what I am going through are the utility software selling their products to NFT projects, which is the analogy of the gold rush. These things are basically the shovels. Okay, so the next one I'm going to go through is it's called Dolphin. Dolphin is the next tech project that is building out software for NFT minters, sellers, and holders. They released their 700 NFT for their tech project that shares 90% of the revenue with NFT holders. They basically created a user-friendly calendar mint table, very sick, and lets you organize and schedule your NFT mints. They also have all these other NFT tools on the app that lets you see your NFT collection, track floor prices, and organize your portfolio. I created a specific video for this. Make sure you check that in my channel. If you hold the NFT, you have full-time access to their platform, and where they get their revenue is through the access passes. So what are access passes? Access passes are basically subscription passes for those who don't have the NFT but still want to use the software. Those access passes are typically 1 week to 1 month that ranges from 0.3 souls to 1 soul. They're going to build more statistics on collections, implement more marketplace APIs and their own Dolphin app on iOS and Android. So this is another interesting tech software project that could potentially do quite well if they market this correctly and grow their software. Okay, so here's the third one, and this NFT project is currently valued around 1 to 2 souls on the secondary market, and I've been buying quite a few of them. It's called The Fellowship. Now, this Web3 tech software project has built a candy machine software where the NFT project with no code can instantly create their NFT collection. Well, how is this possible? Well, the software has been built to do all the coding work for you from the beginning of the art to the mint. And they evolved so much that they even hand out whitelist tokens, which is pretty cool right now. You just align the trades, the rarity, the art picks, and it will build and categorize your NFT collection. It will even let you customize your royalty distribution and many more. So guess who already used this program? MetaHelix and Dolphin, the two that I basically just mentioned above. And there are many more elite projects using this program because of the cost savings compared to other launch pads that there are. Okay, so there are currently 6,543 fellowship NFTs, and each one gets credit of 1,000. So each credit represents an NFT, which means you get to create 1,000 NFT collection. Now, if you buy more credits, let's say you buy 4,000 more, you can make a 5,000 NFT collection. So in order to use their machine, you will need the NFT plus the credits. So buy the NFT for 1 to 2 souls, and then buy the credits, which is about 0.80 to 1 soul. So you can literally make an NFT project for a 5,000 collection for about 6 souls. Extremely cheap. So how does the credits become available? Well, if you hold your NFT, you'll basically be airdrop credits, usually around every quarter. One NFT is 1,000 airdrops of these credits. Then you can either sell the 1,000 credits or use them or hold them. Right now, 1,000 collection has been usually sold again around 0.08 to 1 SOL. One could bet that there will be adoption, major adoption in the crypto space, therefore more adoption in Solana, therefore more adoption in NFT projects popping out of the candy machine in a couple of years, which means more demand for the fellowship. That's basically the big bet. And if it doesn't happen, well, all the software, all the NFT projects are pretty much useless at that point. Risk reward. So that is the bet I am taking, that there will be more NFT projects needing a coding platform like Facebook groups, Discord groups, clubhouses, churches, clubs, bars, restaurants, stores, etc. And that's what the fellowship is there for. Okay, so the next project, it's called Space Potatoes. So now we have another project that basically the art is way different than the others, and they're basically these potatoes. Now these potatoes are basically the facade of a great iOS app that they are building. And if you buy one of their NFTs, which is actually coming out soon, you will have access to their app of a space potato. Plus, if you hold the NFT, you will share their revenue from their launchpad. So overall, Space Potato is an app and a wallet for NFTs. Now, what do I mean? Well, when Phantom was created, it was cryptocurrency that was focused on, so the wallet was naturally made for crypto, but NFTs became the real deal. Phantom doesn't have the tool integration for NFTs like tracker, sales notification, etc. This is where Space Potato actually comes in. Just as Phantom, you simply install Space Potato, insert your seed phrase, and you have your wallet open. Now, I know this is actually a security concern alert, but just like with Phantom, it's not stored in their database. It's within your phone, stored locally, and basically it will just stay there. Now, supply will be at 3,333 and this price at 1.2 SOL. So this is still a mid time frame and there's no date of this yet. So keep out for this product. They even have the app you can test out. I'll put the link below. Now, honorable mentions are Honey DeFi. Honey DeFi is basically the product that is trying to solve liquidity with NFTs, meaning that you can't sell it like the snap of a finger and move on to another asset or withdraw your asset like in crypto. This is basically the like real estate where you have to wait days, months, years to transact and have liquidity on your hands. So Honey DeFi basically is a Web3 project that basically takes care of this and it solves problems for NFTs, which is liquidity. You can stake your NFT for Honey, then you can claim Honey and voila, you have money. Now with their NFT, you pretty much have access to experimental yield vaults, their 2-year liquidity mining, and new futures and governance voting. Now there isn't really royalties for this NFT, but sometimes you do want the project to have basically the funds to build faster and better. This in return should build appreciation within your NFT, but through the NFT itself, appreciating from all the revenue being reinvested into the project. So these are the secret hidden Google style projects beneath NFTs, and this is literally Web3 gem project. Keep in mind, less than 10% make it out in the beginning phases, so we don't know where this is headed in the future. Always do your research. These are risky investments. What I do is present you the tools to find great products, but at the end of the day, it's your decision to invest into these. So for me, I bought all these products except Space Potatoes, obviously because Space Potatoes is not available yet. My biggest bag is right now of the fellowship out of these Web3 tech softwares, but I do want to increase my position in Honey and maybe Dolphins. If they proceed to do well with subscriptions, then I'll buy more Dolphin. And comment below if you have any other projects that you like, and would love to see what else is out there. If you like the content, make sure you subscribe, you hit that notification bell, that like button. Much love and peace.